Alright guys, we are back with another unboxing. This time we're going to be unboxing the Mac Mini that I just bought. So yeah, I've been wanting to have a primarily Mac for editing videos for a really long time because I've been using this old thing. It's really old. It's a 2012 non-Retina MacBook Pro that I've been using to edit videos and stuff for a while, but I feel it's time to spice things up and get a little faster computer. And so I do have a 4K LG monitor here that I want to be using with this. So let's begin by tearing off the plastic. See, there you go. Going back. Let's see. Oh, I forgot. It actually slides. Let me see it for you. Alright, pulling it out. Reveals. It's really stuck in there. Ta-da! There's a tab. I'll pull. And that reveals the computer. What our contents in here are the power cable and some documentation. Yep. So we will need this. Now it's time to remove the plastic. There you go. And I'm gonna move the box over here. Yeah, this is actually not that bad of a size. I think I'm just gonna put it over here on the other side because it's basically wasted space. So, and I also bought the USB-A to USB-C adapter just because none of my stuff is USB-C yet. So I'm switching things slightly over, but alright, let me go ahead and set this up and we will be running shortly. I didn't realize, but apparently there's a little piece of plastic that's covering the ports. There you go. Now back to setting up. Alright guys, that's it. This is going to be my new editing computer. Hope you guys like this unboxing. Hope to be back for another video shortly. Hope you guys have a good one.